what happened earlier. It was just the screen just froze. Okay, so well done. Sometimes with Kobe, I need to just hold it for him still. Where Stanley worked out that he can. Good boy, Kobe. So for Kobe, like, you see, so, okay, Stanley's quite, good boy, Kobe. Stanley's quite quick. He's doing everything really fast. It's like he's on speed kind of thing. He's constantly just like, he jumps into things. Where Kobe is extremely slow. So when you're training both of them, it's very difficult because one is very fast and one is very slow. So for example, Stanley's got it. If he goes, presses the button, he gets it. Kobe, he's got a button right in front of him. He knows exactly what to do, but he thinks he's going to get away with it. And Stanley can do the paw only, where Kobe can do nose and the paw. So it's like, and literally what I'm doing, I'm not telling them anything anymore, and I'm just waiting for them to, I'm not teaching them the colors, I'm not teaching them the words, I'm only asking them to press the, like, literally press the button, but not even telling them. I'm making them think for themselves to go and press the button. And as it's quite hot, Stanley, back up. And as it's quite hot outside, instead of being outside, we've got fans going, and I'd rather work inside with them a little bit. Press it. He's like, I'll stop now. Where Kobe's sitting there dribbling and watching Stanley do all the work. Silly, but, you know, lazy bones. Press. Good. So now I'm adding the command just before he does it. Press. Good press. Good press the button. Right, so I'm going to help Kobe again because Stanley, sit. Wait for it. Stanley's like, I don't want to do this. Look, Stanley's laid on my arm. I'm going, nope. All right. You know what to do, Kobe. Yes, good boy. Wait, Stanley. Okay. Right. Kobe, press. Yes! Good lad. So now Kobe's like, you're paying me more attention, so I'll do it. He's a special child, as you can see. He wants mommy's attention. Yes! Good. So now, I'm not going to hold it and ask him to... Yes! Good boy, Kobe. So Stanley's patiently waiting. So again, I want them to work out. They're not too lazy to move. They're a little bit hot to move. Leave. Leave, Frankie. As you can see, it's like yesterday. Good boy, Kobe. That's a good boy. Frankie, leave. Good boy. Leave, Frankie. Good boy. Away. Good boy. Good lad. Stay. Leave, Kobe. Leave, Kobe. All right. Wait. Kobe. Come, Frankie. So it's like, this is our sausages. Why are you taking our sausages? So I'm just putting Frankie away for a second. Kobe's like, you're not getting my sausages. Back up. All right. Press the button. Come here. Stan, you're in my face. Back up. Back up, Stan. Back up. Back up. There you go. Again, he's working it out. It just takes him a little... Good boy, Stanley. So you can see Stanley's more, I want to go and get it. Well, Kobe's like, I can't be bothered. All right, so now Kobe up. So I'm going to make him Sit up. Kobe, up. Good boy. Alright, it's there. Good boy, Kobe. Oi! Nearly lost my sausages. That's it. He's looking for the blue one. Yes, Kobe! Good boy! So now he pressed the orange because he thought he needs to do the blue one. Yes, Stanley. Good boy. Kobe, go press the button. Yes, there are sausages there. He's like, I can't be bothered, mommy. I'm too hot. Okay, one last time. Go press the button. Good boy, Stanley. Good lad. Kobe, go press the button. Come. Kobe, press it. Kobe, leave. He's like, I want sausages. Press the button. Come. He's like, I don't want to press the button. Well done, Stanley. So Kobe's not getting anything now because obviously he's not pressing the button. So they're getting double praised. You cheeky monkey. Kobe, press the button. Kobe, press it. Press the button. Good boy, Stanley. He's so cheeky, Kobe. Like, I'm not doing it. It's like a stroppy child. I'm not doing it. Do whatever you want. Kobe, come. Kobe, come. Kobe. Press it. Kobe. Press the button. Press it. Don't look at me like that. Press the button. No, that was not a press, wasn't it? That was an attempt to press the button, but it wasn't a... Kobe, press the button. Look at him. He knows what to do. Just pretending to be silly. Stanley's like, for God's sake, can you not get it, dude? Just press the buttons. Well done. Stanley done it like 10 times now. Good boy, Stanley. Cheeky. Well, there we go. See, Kobe's stubborn. So to end it with, I will allow. Good boy. So I will do it again. Yes, good boy, Kobe. As you can see, he still wants it from my hand. Yes, good boy, Kobe. So I'm literally just finishing it off, giving him with my, there we go, from my hand. Somehow he likes it more. There we go. So just having fun with the buttons. Have a good day, everyone.